under the old covenant where you have the outer court, the inner court, and the Holy of Holies. 3 parts. Outer court, inner court, and Holy of Holies. Only the high priest could enter into the Holy of Holies, not even the common priest.
My God.
Those who serve in the temple tabernacle couldn't enter in it. One man, the high priest.
My God.
Now watch this. And when he goes in there, the Bible said he have to have a rope or a chain. When they go, that's why the theological story is very deep for the leader to know that, so they can explain it. They say when you go inside there, where the Ark of the Covenant is, where the 2 angels sat on top of it and the rod inside it, they say you could hear the breath of God in the Ark of the Covenant.
Jesus.
That's how much holy it is.
My God.
So when the high priest goes inside here, if he's not right, he first has to offer sacrifice for himself.
My dead man.
Dead man. So watch this. Watch this. Watch what comes into play now. When Jesus comes, Jesus was both the high priest and the lamb.
Come on now.
At the same time.
Yes.
Jesus was the high priest and the lamb at the same time. He offered that one sacrifice, and that is done away with.
Come on now.
Watch this. That's how you and I, Peter said, we can come boldly before the throne of God. In other words, when the veil had been rented, my God, when Jesus was on the cross, and when he said, Eli, Lama Sabachthani, my God, it is my God, why have thou forsaken me? And the veil was rent in two, meaning that you and I can enter in Jesus.